Hi! If you are new here, then we welcome you to 5 Best List. In this channel, we feature only the best and the latest everything that has to offer. To save your time and make your purchase decision easier, in this video, we picked only the best items for you. We tested many of them before making this list. So if you choose from here, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get started.
Number 1 on our list is Microsoft Surface Pro 8. If you're serious about photo editing on the go, use Adobe software, and don't mind spending the money, the Microsoft Surface Pro 8 is the best tablet for photo editing. The Surface Pro includes the full Windows operating system and can easily run desktop versions of Lightroom and Photoshop CC, as well as any other desktop editors you prefer. With the addition of a keyboard, it can easily be converted into a super portable photo editing tablet. The new S Pen includes haptic feedback, giving you a more realistic feel when drawing on the SP8 or making fine adjustments. The power of a tablet with the flexibility of a tablet, and every angle in between, with 13-inch touchscreen, iconic built-in kickstand, and detachable keyboard. The first Surface Pro built on the Intel Evo platform. Do it all with the Intel Evo platform, performance, graphics, and battery life in a thin and light PC. Type in comfort. Sleek and compact, Surface Signature keyboard performs like a traditional laptop keyboard, complete with a full-function row and backlit keys. The best pen experience on Pro with rechargeable Surface Slim Pen 2 and Surface Pro 8, for the natural feeling of pen on paper, securely stored in Surface Pro Signature keyboard. Number 2 in this best tablet for Photoshop list is Apple 12.9-inch iPad Pro. Apple has brought us the M1 chip, the same as the MacBook Pro, a powerful processor with great integrated graphics that will run smoothly on any major task. The iPad Pro 12.9-inch is the best tablet for photo editing on the go. It's powerful, has an amazing display to take full advantage of the wide range of iPad photo editing apps, and a fantastic camera with a full 122-degree field of view. The iPad Pro has received an extensive makeover for a new generation, with a new full-edge display, an A12X Bionic chip primarily used in tablet, and a new version of the Apple Pencil that attaches to the side of the iPad magnetically, with wireless charging. The Liquid Retina XDR Mini LED display is stunning, providing maximum brightness unmatched by other tablets. This slate can keep up with Samsung's Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, which seemed like a significant upgrade for tablet screens just 1 year ago. Besides being perfect for watching movies, it is also ideal for everyday tasks. Our third pick is Microsoft Surface Pro 7. The Microsoft Surface design with a built-in kickstand. This is a sleek, formal package. There are USB Type-A, Type-C, and Surface Connect ports on the right side. The power button is located on the top. The volume rocker is on the left edge. Surface type cover connectors and 3.5mm audio socket is also on the left side. One of the critical features of this device is the 12.3-inch Pixel Sense display with 2736 by 1824 resolution and a 3:2 aspect ratio. There is also an integrated kickstand with a hidden microSD card slot on top. With this display, have a polished presentation with high resolution. A USB Type-C port replaces the mini display port on the tablet. As a result, multiple monitors can be used at the same time with the tablet. Surface Pro 7 performs well for a device of its size. My unit featured an Intel Core i5-1035G4 processor with 4 threads and quad-core processing. Besides the 256GB hard drive, 8GB of RAM, and Intel Iris Plus graphics, this system included Intel Iris Plus graphics. For details, let's watch more. Fourth pick in our best tablet for Photoshop list is Samsung Galaxy Tab S7. The Samsung Galaxy S7 Tab is one of the top performing Android tablets. Very portable yet very powerful, this Snapdragon-based tablet. A large 12.4-inch display brings your content to life in brilliant color whether indoors or outdoors, making Samsung Galaxy S7 Fe a great tablet for study time or for a quick entertainment break. Strike a perfect balance between study time and play time with Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Fe, the Android tablet designed to bring your projects to life. Galaxy Tab S7 Fe wows the senses with dual speakers and an expansive 12.4-inch screen that's easy on the eyes, whether you're inside or outside. The redesigned S Pen even feels more like a real pen, allowing you to take notes comfortably by hand or sketch out your ideas in rich detail. With a lightning-fast processor for streaming and plenty of space to store your work, you can now level up your possibilities. Tie it all together with a distinctive color that fits your personal style and discover an exciting way to crush your goals. Stay in frame with a landscape camera view that automatically puts you front and center. And with a wide-angle view, you can show off more around you. Ignite your creative spark with preloaded creative apps like Pinup and Canva. Sketch, draw or paint whenever inspiration strikes with your 6-month free trial of Clip Studio Paint. Last in this list is Wacom DTK1660K0A Cintiq 16 Drawing Tablet. Wacom Cintiq is a creative pen display that helps you bring your ideas to life on screen. Perfect for those who love to draw in their spare time or art design students seeking a premium on-screen experience. This high-resolution 1920 by 1080 drawing tablet with screen display comes with the super responsive Wacom Pro Pen 2, giving you the precision and control you desire. Its 192 levels of pressure sensitivity and a low activation force, recognizes even the lightest pen strokes, and with reduced parallax, your cursor appears exactly where you would expect. Built of durable, scratch-resistant materials, Wacom Cintiq drawing monitor attaches easily to your Mac or PC with a simple 3-in-1 cable and is a graphics tablet with screen you can rely on day after day. Connect to your computer with the convenient 3-in-1 HDMI connection cable and get into the perfect position with foldable legs that let you adjust how you want to work. For details, let's watch more.